So we got some more Nissans, got some BMWs, got some Audis. That's that 300ZX. That's a classic Nissan. And of course, over here, got some low riders over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna talk while this music is playing. I don't want no copyright problems. And you know, got some Mazdas. And another Mustang, American. Drop top, Cobra. Looking official. Yeah. Nice Mazda RX-7. One of my boys had one back in the day. Little drop top. Yeah. So Union County, New Jersey. Then we move over here. We got some trucks. We got a truck over here. Black Mamba. So that's a Dodge. So you got the Cobra in the back seat. Suicide doors. Lexus. Maybe next year I'll bring my Lexus out here. I got an ES 350 with 23. I'll wait till I get my shoes. As soon as I get my shoes, I don't know if I'm gonna get some BBS's or what. Yeah, this brings back memories right here. I had one of these. Didn't work out the way I wanted it to, but still respect it, still like the look. I just was saying that. I was like, once I get my shoes and tires for my my ES 350, maybe I'll start entering that into some competitions. Oh yeah. But I was like, you know, I was looking at that Lexus. A nice vet here. Yeah, what do they call it? Is this a roll bar? I never seen one like this that come all the way down to the floor.
Yeah, roll bar. My brother set up like that too. He had to put it in.
What year your brother got?
No, my brother got a Fox body.
A what?
Mustang.
A Mustang.
I'm like a pinch. I'm like a pinch away from doing it to that. But I don't think there's.
One of them had that many, but this is the second one. So they ain't gonna see me driving down horsepower. Then he had the roll bar put in.
This is incredible. This is really, really nice. 2019. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Somebody autographed inside the engine. Nice vet, nice vet. I wanted to get one. Still might. Still might. Yeah. There's the man of the hour right here. It's the G Wiz.
No, just go ahead, Will. Thank you, brother.
This is the man that puts on the events. You got another one tomorrow. You see the competitions pulling in cars and everything. Nice car, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Brooklyn. One of my friends' father had a Brooklyn. He had an orange one. My boy Neil Armstrong's father had an orange Brooklyn. This is really nice though right here.
See, like where your rim is all dirty at, look how clean this shit is. It don't even get this. See, that's why I blacked mine out on the inside. Like I showed you, I did the alternate. Yeah, blacked that whole rim. Look at this. You got little.
Nice car, man. Thank you. Yes, yes.
Pedro! Pedro!
So you see it's getting thick over here. Competition is getting thick. Cars is pulling up. Let's go down here and look at some of these trucks. My man got the spree well on. I got the green Nick hat today. We'll see who's gonna win tonight with San Antonio and OKC. It don't matter who we play, we're gonna win. Pickup truck. That's a Chevy. Got a Mazda here. Got another vet. The Batman theme on it. Ah, got the showy helmet. I might have to put my helmet on the back seat. Go them BBS rims I was talking about. I thought I might get on mine. Might give me some BBS rims from my ES350 Lexus. And some 19s or 20s. Got another Stang here. Clean, clean, clean. You see the racing tires. Got the exhaust coming out on the side. 5.0, baby. G-Force. You know this shit can fly. Another one. 5.0. Pink. It's different. I guess that's a wrap. GTS Toyota Corolla. That's that old school right there.